Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10 science. This is practice paper number 6 and this is part C, that is biology part, and this is part number 3. Let us answer the questions related to biology. In the previous video we have answered for all the questions related to part B, that is chemistry. So now let us answer for biology. So the first question of biology is: the autotrophic mode of nutrition requires carbon dioxide and water, chlorophyll, sunlight, and the option D is all of the above. So for this question, the right answer is, so among these four options, so the right answer is all of the above, because autotrophic mode of nutrition is one in which the plants prepare their own food. For the preparation of food, the plant requires carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll, and sunlight. Therefore, the option for this 15th question is all of the above. So, 15th question, the right answer is all of the above. So now let us move for the 16th question. So let us see what is the 16th question. So the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, actually the glucose will get breakdown and converted into pyruvate in cytoplasm of a cell. But where the pyruvate will get breakdown, that depends upon in presence of oxygen and absence of oxygen. So now here the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy. So it's giving carbon dioxide and water means it should be aerobic. ಇದು ಏರೋಬಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Agar aerobic respiration takes place, that is breakdown of pyruvate will takes place in aerobic respiration, that is in mitochondria of the cell. So the right option A cytoplasm, B mitochondria, C chloroplast and D nucleus. So the right option is mitochondria. So in the mitochondria of the cell, the pyruvate is converted into, that is it is converted into carbon dioxide, water and releases 36 ATP of energy. So now let us move for the next main, that is 10th main, 17th question. So what is 17th question? So what is single circulation? So let us define what is single circulation. So what is single circulation? The circulation in which blood flows once through the heart. If the blood flows once through the heart, then such a circulation is called as that is single circulation. This single circulation can be observed in species, that is in fishes we can observe single circulation. So now let us move for the next main, that is 11th main, 18th question. 11th main, 18th question is, first question, write down the steps involved during photosynthesis in plants. So now let us write down the steps that involved during photosynthesis in plants. So that is the three steps are involved during photosynthesis in plant. The step number 1, that is absorption of, first step is always this one, that is absorption of sunlight. So we will observe the sunlight. So absorption of sunlight by chlorophyll. So chlorophyll will absorb the sunlight. So this is the first step. Then second step is conversion of, after observing sunlight by chlorophyll, so convert agade eno, conversion of light energy so conversion of light energy into chemical energy. So conversion of light energy into chemical energy and splitting of water into hydrogen and oxygen. So water will get split up and water will be converted into hydrogen and oxygen. This is the second step. Then coming to the third step and the last step, In the last step, we have to write it as reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. So reduction will take place, that is during reduction carbohydrates is carbon dioxide is converted into carbohydrates. So these are the steps that have been involved in photosynthesis. So let us move for the 19th question. So the 19th question is, what is lymph? Write its function. So we have to write down what is lymph and its function. So what is lymph? So this is a 19th question. So let us write what is a lymph? A colorless fluid or a liquid. A colorless fluid similar in structure to blood. A colorless fluid similar in structure to blood is called as lymph. Now let us write the functions of lymph. So lymph will do the two functions. Let us list the two functions of lymph. The first function is that it contains WBC, which fight against it which fight against disease causing microorganisms. So this is the first function, and second function is it carry out digested fat from small intestine. So these are the two functions of lymph. So now let us move for the 12th main, that is 12th main 20th question. So what is the 20th question? Let us see it. So the 20th question is, explain the stages of double circulation of the blood in human. So let us write step by step. The first step is, that is from lungs, oxygenated blood will be carried by pulmonary vein into left auricle. This is the first step. Then the second step is that the blood get pumped from left auricle to left ventricle, from left auricle to left ventricle through valve. So this is the second step. Next, the third step is that from left ventricle oxygenated blood flows to aorta, which is the biggest artery, aorta. From aorta it flows to all the parts of the body, then from upper and lower part through superior and inferior vena cava, deoxygenated blood will be carried to right auricle. Next step, from right auricle blood gets pumped to right ventricle through valves. Next, from right ventricle deoxygenated blood flows to pulmonary artery, then to lungs. In lungs, gas will get exchanged. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಹಾರ್ಟ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದ ಜರ್ನಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವು, ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದೇ ತರ ಸೈಕಲ್ಲು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ that is explain the stages of double circulation of blood in human. So now let us move for the last question of this paper, that is so define nephron and how urine is produced in nephron. So nephron andre ಏನು, nephron ಹೇಗೆ urine produce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? So let us study about this one. So this is the last main, 13th main, and this is 21st question. In that one, A, what define nephron? The large number of filtration units. The large number of filtration units packed together. The large number of filtration units packed together in a kidney is called nephron, or we can define it as it is the structural and functional unit of a kidney. So now let us move for the second, that is how urine is produced. So urine is produced in 3 steps. The first step is called ultrafiltration, or it is also called as glomerular filtration. Ultrafiltration or glomerular filtration. ಸೊ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಗ್ಲೋಮರುಲರ್ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಥ್ರೂ renal artery, the first step is through renal artery, oxygenated blood flows into a network of capillaries called glomerulus. In this, that means in glomerulus, some of the nitrogenous waste such as water, glucose, amino acids, salts get filtered present in blood into Bowman's capsule. Into Bowman's capsule. And this is called as glomerular filtration. This is the first step. In a second step, that is called as tubular reabsorption. Tubular reabsorption, or it is also called as tubular selective reabsorption. Tubular reabsorption, or it is also called as selective reabsorption. So what happens here? So now from Bowman's capsule, a colorless liquid or slightly yellow color liquid flows into tubular part around the tubular part capillaries are there. Capillaries having small holes are present. Through this hole, blood will reabsorb some of the filtered waste. And this is called as tubular reabsorption, or it is called selective reabsorption. Then the third one is called as tubular secretion. Now the urine move into distant convoluted tubule where pH of urine get balanced. From here, the urine gets collected in a collecting duct. It contains large number of collecting ducts. In that collecting duct, urine is collected. So like this, urine is produced in human kidney. So by this, we have answered all the questions related to biology part, that is part C. In the next video, we are going to answer for practice paper 7. So till then, thank you very much. Still, those who are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Those who already subscribed, please watch my videos, like my videos and share my videos. And don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for the next video. So thanks everyone for your great support. And once again, thank you very much.